Hello folks. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to explore data visualization with hlines and vlines plots in matplotlib. Matplotlib, a cornerstone of the Python ecosystem for data visualization, boasts a plethora of functionalities catering to the nuanced needs of data scientists and visual storytellers alike. Among its arsenal lies the lesser-known yet indispensable duo, hlines and vlines. In this article, we delve into the intricacies of these functions, unraveling their significance and shedding light on their syntax and parameters. Hlines and vlines are two functions in matplotlib dedicated to drawing horizontal and vertical lines, respectively. These functions serve as indispensable tools for enhancing the visual clarity and expressiveness of plots by incorporating reference lines or demarcations. The primary utility of these functions lies in their ability to add horizontal and vertical lines to plots, facilitating easier interpretation and analysis of data. Whether it's highlighting specific thresholds, indicating averages, or delineating regions of interest, these functions offer a versatile means to augment the informational content of visualizations. The given plot is the combination of line plot and hlines and vlines plots. This is the line plot because every data point is connected with a straight line. And this line is an example for hlines because this line starts at y-coordinate called 4 and x-coordinate called 2.0. And this line extends up to the coordinates called 4.0 and 4. This line is an example for vlines because it starts at coordinates 3.0, 2.0 and ends at 3.0 and 7.0. And this a vertical line. Have you observed anything? In horizontal lines, y-coordinates remain same and x-coordinates changes. So we will have an horizontal line. And this horizontal line is plotted using hlines function in pyplot module in matplotlib. In vertical lines x-coordinate remains constant. And y-coordinates will change. Hence we will have an vertical line. And this vertical line can be plotted using vlines function in pyplot module in matplotlib. This is the syntax for hlines function. Hlines y, xmin, xmax, quags, draws horizontal lines at the specified y-coordinates within the range, xmin, xmax. This is the syntax of vlines in matplotlib. Vlines x, ymin, ymax, quags, draws vertical lines at the specified x-coordinates within the range, ymin, ymax. These two functions takes the following parameters which are used to plot as well as customize the hlines and vlines. Y for hlines, or x for vlines, the coordinates where the lines will be drawn. Xmin and xmax, for hlines, these parameters are used inside hlines function. These parameters defines the start and end points of the horizontal lines. Ymin and ymax, for vlines, these parameters are used inside vlines function. These parameters define the start and end points of the vertical lines. Quags accepts additional keyword arguments to customize line properties such as color, line style, line width, and more. Let's illuminate the power of hlines and vlines through a stunning example. Import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. This line says that we imported matplotlib's pyplot module as plt. Example data: x equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Y equals 3, 5, 2, 7, 4. Here we created sample data which is used to plot a line plot. Now, plotting the data, plt.plot x, y. Now adding horizontal and vertical lines using plt.hlines and vlines functions. Using plt.hlines, y equals 4, xmin equals 2, xmax equals 4, color equals r, line style equals, line width equals 2, label equals, horizontal line. plt.vlines, x equals 3, ymin equals 2, ymax equals 7, color equals, g, line style equals. Line width equals 3, label equals, vertical line. Now, customizing plot aesthetics. plt.x label, x-axis. plt.y label, y-axis. plt.title, example plot with custom lines. plt.legend. And finally displaying the plot. plt.show. This is used to display the plot. In this example, we augment a basic plot with customized horizontal and vertical lines. The horizontal line is drawn at y equals 4, spanning the x range from 2 to 4, adorned with a red dashed line of width 2. Similarly, the vertical line is drawn at x equals 3, spanning the y range from 2 to 7, embellished with a green dashed dot line of width 3. So by using hlines and vlines function in pyplot module we can plot the vertical and horizontal lines. And we can pass additional parameters such as line color, line width, line style to customize the hlines and vlines function. Hlines and vlines are two functions in pyplot module used to plot horizontal and vertical lines. Hline stands for horizontal lines and lines function takes the following required parameters, namely y, xmin and xmax. Vline stands for vertical lines used to plot vertical lines, and this vlines function in pyplot module takes the following required parameters, namely x, y max and y min. Customizations to lines can be applied in this case, such as customizing line styles, line widths, line colors. Moreover, including hlines and vlines will make a plot is more informative. Hello folks. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to